25th November 2021 Morning Murli Om Shanti Baptada Madhuban. Sweet children, in order to make your fortune elevated, have an interest in doing spiritual service. Continue to donate the wealth of knowledge to everyone. Question: what Srimad that no human beings has given does the spiritual father now give? Answer: O spiritual children, give your bones to doing spiritual service just as Dadichi Rishi did. Donate the imperishable jewels of knowledge you have received from the Father. This is true service. No human being can give directions to do such service. Those who do spiritual service will continue to dance in happiness and their fortune will continue to become elevated. Song: even though the world may change, we shall never turn away. Om Shanti. You children heard two lines of the song. Those people composed the song. When a couple marry, it is very firm that husband and wife will never leave one another. There are hardly any couples who do not get on with one another and then leave one another. To whom do your children make a promise here? To God, to the one. You children, you brides, have become engaged to. However, some of you even leave the one who makes you into the masters of the world. When you are sitting here, your children know that unlimited Bapdada is about to come. When you go out to your own centers, you cannot have the same stage as you have here. Here you understand that Bapdada is about to come. Outside at the centers, you understand the Murli Baba spoke is about to come. There is a lot of difference between here and there. Because here you are personally sitting in front of the unlimited Bapdada. There your children are not personally in front of him. You desire to come and listen personally to the Murli directly. Here it has entered the intellects of your children that Baba is about to come, just as they are aware at other spiritual gatherings that such and such a Swami is about to come. However, not everyone has the same thought. Some of them would be remaining their relatives. Their intellects do not remain stable on their Guru. Hardly anyone would be sitting in remembrance of his Swami. It is the same here. It isn't that everyone is in remembrance of Shri Baba. Their intellects continue to run around. They remember their friends and relatives. It would be great fortune for you if you were to remain personally in front of Shri Baba all the time. Hardly anyone stays in permanent remembrance. Here there should be great happiness by staying personally in front of Shri Baba. Ask the Gops and Gopis who belong to Gopi Vallabh, the father of the Gops and Gopis, about supersensuous joy. It is remembered of this time your children are sitting here in remembrance of Baba. You know that you now belong to God and you will then go into the lap of the deities. The intellects of some have thoughts of doing service, of correcting this, or of writing something on the particular picture. But good children would realize that at this time they should only listen to the Father and not allow any other thoughts to enter them. The Father has come to fill your aprons with the jewels of knowledge, and so you have to connect your intellects in yoga to the Father. There are those who imbibe number-wise. Some imbibe very well and some imbibe less. If your intellect's yoga wanders in other directions, you aren't able to imbibe and you become weak. If you only listen to the Murli once or twice and are unable to imbibe it, that habit becomes firm. Then no matter how much you listen, you won't be able to imbibe. You won't be able to relate knowledge to anyone. Those who imbibe will be interested in doing service and will have a lot of enthusiasm for going and donating the wealth of knowledge, because no one apart from the father, has this wealth. The father also knows not everyone is able to imbibe. Not everyone can claim the same high status. This is why their intellects continue to wander in other directions. In that case, your future fortune cannot become that elevated. Some keep their bones in doing physical service and in making everyone happy. For instance, cooking and serving food is also a subject. Those who are interested in doing service will not be able to stay without saying something. However, Baba still sees whether you are body conscious or not and whether you give regard to your seniors. Regard has to be given to the senior Maharuthis. Yes, it is possible that a younger one can become clever and then the older ones have to give regard to that younger one because his intellect gallops ahead. The father is pleased when he sees that someone is interested in doing service, for he knows that the soul will do very good service. You should also practice explaining at the exhibition throughout the day. Many subjects are to be created. There have to be hundreds of thousands of subjects. There is no other way. The sun and moon dynasty kings, queens, and subjects all have to be created here. So much service has to be done. It is in the intellects of your children that you have now become Brahmins. Each of you has your own individual stage while living at home with your family. You don't have to renounce your home and family. Baba says you may live at home, but your intellect should have the faith that this old world is already destroyed. Our connection is with the Father. You also know that only those who took this knowledge in the previous cycle will do so again. Everything is being repeated identically, second by second. The knowledge is in the soul. The Father has knowledge. Your children have to become equal to the Father and imbibe the points. Not all points are explained at the same time. A firm aim has to be kept. Destruction is just ahead of you. This too is the same destruction. In the golden and silver ages, there is no war, etc. It is later, when there are many religions and big armies, that war takes place. Souls first come down in their Satopradhan stage and then go through the stages of Sato, Rajo, and Tamo. All of this has to be kept in your intellects. Even while sitting here, you have to keep it in your intellects how the kingdom is being established. So Baba comes and gives us treasures which the intellects have to imbibe. Good children, take notes. It is good to take notes, then topics will enter your intellects. Today I will explain on this topic. The Father says, I gave you so many treasures. In the golden and silver ages, you had a lot of wealth, but when you went on to the path of sin, it continued to decrease. Even your happiness decreased. You begin to perform sinful actions while coming down, your degrees continue to decrease. There are the stages of Satopradhan, Sato, Raju, and Tamo. It isn't that you instantly go from the Sato stage into the Raju stage. You come down gradually, even in the Tamopradhan stage. In that too, there are the Sato, Raju, and Tamo stages. You don't become Tamopradhan instantly. You continue to come down the ladder gradually and your degrees decrease. You now have to take a jump. You have to become Satopradhan from Tamopradhan, and there is very little time for this. It is also remembered those who climb taste the sweetness of the nectar of heaven. When you were slapped by lust, you became completely crushed and your bones break. It is as though you have committed suicide. It is not said suicide of the soul, but suicide of the body. In the same way, there is the suicide of the soul, and everything you have earned is then all finished. Here, you have to claim the inheritance from the Father. Remember the Father because you receive the sovereignty from the Father. Ask yourself, how much have I earned for the future by remembering the Father? For how many blinds once have I become a stick? give the message to every home that this old world is now to change. The Father is teaching you Raj Yoga for the new world. It is shown in the picture of the ladder that it takes effort to make this world new. Throughout the day, you think about how to make it very easy so that anyone can understand. The whole world will not come here. Only those of the deity religion will come here. Your service is going to continue for a long time. You know for how long your class will continue. Those people believe that the duration of the cycle is hundreds of thousands of years and they continue to read the scriptures, etc. They believe that the festival of salvation for all will come when it is the end, and those who are disciples will then receive salvation and will go and merge into the light. However, it isn't like that. You know, you are now listening to the true story of immortality from the immortal Father. Therefore, you should listen to what immortal Baba tells you. He simply says, remember me and become pure. Otherwise, a lot of punishment will have to be experienced and a low status received. Effort has to be made in doing service, just like the example of Tadisha Rishi, who even gave his bones to service. Remain engaged in doing service without even thinking about your body. This is known as serving with your bones. The other is spiritually serving with your bones. Those who do spiritual service will only continue to relate spiritual knowledge. By donating the wealth of knowledge, they will continue to dance in happiness. The service that people in the world do is physical service. They sit and relate scriptures, but that is not spiritual service. Only the one Father teaches you how to do spiritual service. Only the spiritual Father comes and teaches you spiritual children, you souls. You are now making preparations to go to the new world of the golden age. There you won't perform sinful actions. It is the kingdom of Ram. There are only a few people. Those same few people will come and study here. Now in the kingdom of Ravan, all are unhappy. You have all this knowledge in your intellects. Number wise, according to the efforts you make, all the knowledge is included in the picture of the ladder. Machinery is required to make these pictures. That government has so many newspapers printed every day. They have so much business. Here everything has to be done by hand. The Father says, become pure in this final birth and you will become the masters of the pure world. No one has this knowledge. Some people say there's no information about any of other religions in the picture of the ladder. That information is included in the picture of the cycle. They don't go to the new world. They receive peace. Only the people of Bharat existed in heaven. The Father only comes in Bharat to teach you Raj Yoga. This is why everyone likes the ancient Raj Yoga of Bharat. They will be able to understand for themselves from this picture that they truly were just Bharat in the new world. They will also be able to understand about their own religion. Christ also came to establish a religion. At this time, he too is in a bigger form. All are Tamapradhan. This knowledge of the Creator and creation is so vast. You can say you don't need anyone's money. What would you do with money? Just tell them, listen to these things and also have some of these things printed for others. Make use of these pictures. Take a hall where this knowledge can be related. What would we do with your money? It is only your home that will be benefited. You just make the arrangements and many will come and listen. The knowledge of the Creator and creation is very good. People have to understand this. Those from abroad will enjoy listening to this knowledge a great deal. They will become very happy. They will understand that if they too have yoga with the Father, their sins will be absolved. Give everyone the Father's introduction. They will understand that no one apart from God, the Father, can give this knowledge. They say that Khuda means God established Bahisht, means heaven. However, no one knows how he comes. People will become very happy when they hear what you tell them. They will then make effort to study yoga. They will even make effort to become Satopradhan from Tamopradhan. You should have many ideas for doing service. Only when you show your skills in Bharat can you then be sent abroad. People will realize that it doesn't take long to make the world new. After an earthquake takes place somewhere, new buildings are built there within 2 to 3 years. The more workers there are, the more quickly the buildings will be built. A building can even be built in a month if the workers and materials are all prepared. It doesn't take long to build it. Look how they build buildings abroad, like a motor a minute. Therefore, they will build them very quickly in heaven. You receive a lot of gold and silver. They bring gold, silver, and diamonds from the mines, etc. They are learning all of those skills now. There is so much arrogance of science. The same science will then also be useful there. Those who learn the things here will then take another birth and use all the things they learned in their previous birth. At that time, the whole world becomes new and the kingdom of Ravan is destroyed. Even the five elements remain engaged in doing service with discipline. It becomes heaven. There are no calamities there. There is no kingdom of Ravan there because everyone is Satopradhan. The best thing is that you should have a lot of love for the Father. Have the same concern that the Father has the donate to others. The more you donate, the more you will accumulate. If you don't do service, how would you be able to imbibe? Your intellect should work for service. A lot of service can be done. Someone has to continue to do it day by day. Progress has to be made. You also have to make progress. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, Bapdada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Essence for the dharana. First point, have regard for one another. Have a lot of interest in doing service. Fill your aprons with the jewels of knowledge and then donate them. Second point, think that you should only listen to the one Father. Don't allow your intellect to wander in thinking about other things. Blessing. May you keep your thoughts and intellect under your orders and use them with spiritual authority as a master almighty authority. Explanation. Just as you easily use your physical hands and feet as you want, in the same way you should be able to focus your thoughts and your intellects wherever you want. This is known as spiritual authority. Just as it is easy to come into sound, let it be just as easy to go beyond sound. By practicing this, you will be able to become an image that grants visions. So make this practice easy and constant, and you will then be called a Master Almighty Authority. Slogan. When your original state is powerful, adverse situations will be nothing in front of it. Om Shanti